Hello everyone. In this module, we will get some basic knowledge about Matplotlib and we are going to cover these many topics. If I talk in general, it is no surprise that charts and visuals are effective tools of communication as they deliver information clearly and concisely. Without any thought, we can say that the data presented in the form of graphs are more easy to understand as comparison to the theoretical data. And even with the help of graphs, we can demonstrate trends and comparison easily. So now it's time to talk in the sense of Python. How we can plot these graphs. As we know, Python is an interpreted language with built-in powerful function and it also allows us to extend the functionality with the help of external packages. And one of the most used packages, Matplotlib. Basically, Matplotlib is used for data visualization. And from data visualization, I mean conversion of numbers, text, and dataset into various graphs. It is used to create both 2D as well as 3D graphs from the data, we can say that. And it can also provide us a variety of object-oriented APIs, which is used for embedding plots in application using GUI toolkit such as GTK plus, WX Winget Qt, and many more also. Not even that, it also has a huge number of plots such as line chart, bar chart, pie chart, histogram, scatter plot, area plot, pie chart, and violin chart, and many more in the list also. In addition to this thing, Matplotlib also has a dual nature which allow us to use it in both interactive and non-interactive programs. From interactive and non-interactive, I mean we can use it in Python and IPython shell as well, or even you can use it in a web application server. If I talk from where Matplotlib came, basically it is based on a MATLAB programming language which was created by the math worker. From here the Matplotlib came into an existence. So we get some overview of Matplotlib. Now we move toward its history. John D. Hunter came up with the idea of Matplotlib in 2002 and Matplotlib is written in Python. After this, in 2003, it released with the version of 0.1 and after this it upgrades to newer version and the most recent stable version is 3.5.1 which was released in December 2021. Moving toward its merit, the following are the merit that contribute to the success of Matplotlib. I discuss one by one. One of the main reasons of liking the Matplotlib is it is Python based library. Python is high level interpreted language which is easy to learn and understand and also has lot of features. That's why Matplotlib also liked by everyone and it is also used to create graphs is one of the reason also. The next merit is it is open source package. That is why it is very appealing for students, professors, programmers as well as for the scientists also. Moving towards the next merit, Matplotlib is also free of cost. So we can say that it is budget friendly. It's not stopped here. It can even suit any scenario because it has lot of graph types, so we can say it is extensible. Matplotlib can also customize features and configurations of graphs. And last but not the least one, Matplotlib can run on variety of platforms such as Linux, Windows, Mac operating system and many others. With this, we get overview of about Matplotlib. Now in the next module, we will learn the installation of